I totally missed it. I don't get it. Say that again.
Oh, you missed it. He's rolling now. You know he's rolling now.
No.
So on one of our productions, on one of our video productions, we had a Russian audio technician and a Czech one too.
Check 1, 2.
That one just kind of builds and builds, and then when you realize how silly that was, it just makes you laugh.
On the TransAmerica Trail once again, starting day 5? Day 5.
Section 2, day 5. Stage 2.
Stage 2, day 5. We just spent the night in a great little campsite, Pickwick Falls.
Pickwick Dam RV Park.
Pickwick Dam Falls.
Yes. Those damn falls.
Dam Pickwick.
Savannah, Tennessee.
Savannah, Tennessee. How did you sleep last night on your Eno?
Man, I slept like a baby.
Steve's been out cold. He just rolled up through his tent, his hammock up, and what is this thing?
Man, this is a Enu double, so it's rated for my size person. It's actually rated for 2 people, but for me it's 1 person. And I just took 2 straps, hung it up, put a tarp over the top, took about 5 minutes, and my campsite was set for the night.
You haven't even taken off your riding gear. You were done.
No, I just figured it was time to take a break while you guys spent an hour setting up your campsite.
Nice.
It was nice, and it packed up real fast too.
Yes. And then today we're going to go through Mississippi, and then we're going to end up where?
DeValls, Arkansas, hopefully.
Hopefully, DeValls, Arkansas.
How far we get?
All right, we're getting ready to ride. You guys hang out. Another fun day coming. Oh man, I got a piggybacker. Must have been a stowaway from our camp last night. I hate to say it, but you're gonna have to go bye-bye, partner. Oh, drat. I flicked him off, but I think he left 1 leg behind. He only needs to. He'll figure it out.
This rolling is too.
Yep. Ooh, look at that.
This is gonna be nice. What, Chris? You're not doing an infrared on this?
Man, we need a photo of that, don't we?
Yeah.
Turn the bikes around.
Sure. Or we can take it from the other side.
Yeah, backlit. Nice.
So we don't get that word up there in the sign.
You can tell your mama and your daddy too, your brother and your sisters and your best friend too. I'm dreaming of you. Well, all my dreams are sweet, not lately, not asleep, not me.
Pass on the right, go for it. Turn right.
Not dream of you.
I'm impressed.
Not terrible.
Screeching a hole.
You may remember when we camped with my brother Dan in Tellico Plains, he mentioned a trip that he and I took in Africa. My parents were missionaries at a little place called Mwanza, and my dad's parents had been missionaries at Kikongo. Man, we gotta stop and set up a shot. Every time we have something really cool, we just want to go riding. We gotta set up a camera. It's just nuts. So Dan and I decided to take our motorcycles and ride from one to the other across the African bush. One place we got to, there was a river. The ferry was out. So we essentially pushed our motorcycles across a swinging bridge, just like the one that we walked over yesterday, only ours wasn't made out of steel cable, it was made out of vines and rope.
Oh, to be young and adventurous.
You know, I'm kind of a plant-based diet kind of guy, and so I carry a lot of vegetables, carrots, celery, whatever I can. And I used to have an old cheap Walmart cooler that I just threw on the back of here, and it didn't do well. It didn't hold the temperatures well, and rain would leak all over it. This Gecko Brands bag, it's like a dry bag. So the external is all dry bag material. Rolls up like a dry bag, so it's completely waterproof. Pretty big inside, but it's padded, so it keeps the temperature really, really well. So I can throw a Ziploc bag of ice or something like that in there. Every time we stop at a store, lunch, whatever, I can refill my ice, and I can go weeks without, you know, perishable items going bad. It's great. So we stopped for this really cool lunch at this beautiful scenic spot over here by the nature and the wildlife. Oh, not quite. Not quite. How was lunch?
It was excellent. We had picnic tables to sit on.
That's right.
Yep.
Nice.
Compliments of the snow cone place.
Nice lady at the snow cone place. Let us have our lunch on their picnic benches. So where are we?
Mississippi.
We are in
Why'd you look at your watch?
Ripley, Mississippi, believe it or not.
Ripley, believe it or not. And cut.
All right, YouTubers, hit that like and subscribe button. So, I don't even see Interstate 22 on his map.
Well, maybe it's what 178 is. Because there's 30.
There's 78, but there's no 178.
I know, but here's 30 is where it intersects.
Right here. So here's 78 and 30
And
near
how old-
Oxford.
How old is that map?
I don't know. Published annually, 1996 AAA.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Small Town, USA.
Coca-Cola on the side of that building, right? Big old Coca-Cola sign. Painted on the
Man,
side.
we gotta go take a picture of that.
Where?
That cool is?
Where'd you see that?
Back
Back
there.
here. Oh,
Oh,
right
I see
there
it.
to your right.
I see it. That's cool. Today's been an awesome day of variety, and we finally reached it to Anytown, USA. So Steve and Jason are over here discussing photographs we've been taking. What are you guys doing?
Man, we're putting the juice to photographs.
Nice.
Because this was that.
Excellent. How far we got?
I don't know. How far we got?
Less than 2 hours, probably. Is it?
Talk to my navigator.
That would be the navigator. All right, well, we're gonna knock out the rest of it and catch a camp and be ready to roll for tomorrow. Sweet, let's do it.
Hashtag.
Moto photo adventures.
Man, what do you say there, Mr. Steve?
Man, this is awesome.
Is this the coolest or what? We're up on this huge dike overlooking these rice fields, or what are they? We think they're soybean, right?
I'm not sure. I'm not a farmer.
It's a wildlife management area, but it is gorgeous up here. We feel like we're on top of the world up on this dike looking down on everything. Mississippi, we like Mississippi. There's some deer. Hightailing it for the woods. Big old rat.
Ah, that one's got, holy man, right into the, it didn't even slow down.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to cross the Mississippi River. Woo! Arkansas, here we come. Look at that cool bridge. We've had a great day of riding. We've enjoyed every minute of it. Thank you guys for joining us. We're gonna catch up with our camp, get all set up, make a little food, and settle in for a nice evening of relaxation before another fun day tomorrow.
If they do not have a site, y'all more than welcome to stay on that tent side. I don't care.
What's your name?
Jimmy.
Chris, Jason, Steve.
Nice to meet y'all. Where y'all from?
We're from Charleston, South Carolina.
Oh, darn. You from a pretty good way.
Hey, nice shirt, Steve.
Well, thank you.
What you doing?
I'm doing your job. No, just kidding.
I'm sitting here doing nothing. Backing up all your data. In fact, I'm doing your GoPro right now.
As well you should. I'm just...
Steve's making us dinner because, you know, we're just hanging out and we each have our tasks. Jason's is filmography right now.
Mine's going to be eatography soon.
That looks great, gentlemen. Nice. Let's see if I can't get, can you lean a little bit in? There you go. I don't want it to look like he's got bad breath and you're leaning away from him. Nice, very good. 1, 2, and 3.